السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Form 10 revision second term circular motion. Choose. Number 1. The centripetal acceleration arises from the change in the direction of velocity, and the unit of measuring the centripetal acceleration is. Answer. Number B. Due to the centripetal acceleration is type of acceleration, so the centripetal acceleration has the same measuring unit of acceleration. Number 2. An object with a centripetal acceleration 64/7 meter per second square in a circular path of radius 28 meter. Then the time required to complete one revolution equal A. 11 second, B. 10 second, C. 20 second, D. 8 second. Answer. Number A. At the first, A equal V square over R. So V square equal AR. So V square equal 64/7 times 28 equal 256. So V equal root 256 equal 16 meter per second. At the first we get V, tangential velocity, to can get periodic time. Periodic time, it is a time required to make one revolution. So periodic time equal pi r square over V equal 10.99 approximate 11 second. Number A. 3. A car of mass m kilogram moves at uniform speed 36 km per hour in a circular curve of radius 20 meter. If the centripetal force that keeps the car in a circular path is 50,000 Newton, then the mass of the car is A. 1,500 kilogram, B. 10,000 kilogram, C. 2,000 kilogram, D. 3,000 kilogram. Answer. Number B. Due to centripetal force equal mv square over r. So m equal fr over v square. So m equal 50,000 times 20 over 36 times 5 over 18. Why? Speed here kilometer per hour, and we must change it into meter per second. So 36 times 5 over 18, 10,000 kilogram. 4. If the force of gravity exerted by the planet Earth on its moon is F, so the force of gravity exerted by the moon on the planet Earth is A. half F, B. 1/6F, C. F, 4/4 F. Number C. Why? Due to the attraction force between them has one rule, F equal G m over r square. So the attraction force between them is the same. 5. A person tied a body by a rope and held the second end of the rope. Then he managed the body in a circular path. Suddenly the rope is cut. Then the direction of motion of the body at this moment is A. in a circular path, but it has a longer diameter. B. toward the center of circular path. C. outside the center of the circular path. D. in a tangent direction of the circular path. Answer. Number D. Tangent direction to the circular path. 6. Fx equal G y square over z square, and G is the universal gravitational constant. Z is the radius of Earth. X is attraction force between two bodies. So the physical quantity Y represent A. acceleration, B. displacement, C. velocity, D. mass. Answer. F equal G mm over r square. So answer number D. F is X and Z is R. So Y will be M. Number 7, the attraction force between two bodies is 0.04 Newton. If the distance between them is doubled, so the attraction force between them becomes A. 0.16 Newton, B. 0.08 Newton, C. 0.02 Newton, D. 0.01 Newton. Answer number D. Why? F equal GMM over R square. Distance is doubled, so will be 2 square. So F will decrease to quarter. So F 0.04 times quarter equals 0.01. 8. The acceleration due to gravity on the surface of a planet of mass 7 times 10 power 21 kilogram and radius 500 kilometer equals. We need to calculate the acceleration due to gravity is the gravitational field intensity. So answer will be D. G equal Gm over R square. G equal G constant 6.67 times 10 power negative 11 times equal 7 times 10 power 21 over R square 500 times 10 power 3. Why times 10 power 3? To change it from kilometer into meter. Power 2 equal 1.87 meter per second square. 9. A body rotates in a circular path with a speed of 10 meter per second. If the moved distance during a half cycle is 44 meter, so the periodic time of its circular motion is A. 22 second, B. 8.8 second, C. 4.4 second, D. 22 over 7 second. Answer number B. Time is a time which is required to make one cycle. So T equal 2 by R over V. And we have here distance of half cycle. I need distance of all cycle, one cycle. So 44 times 2 over 10 equal 8.8. 10. The opposite figure shows 3 balls X and Y and Z, which are placed at the same plane. So the ratio of the gravitational force between the 2 balls X and Y to the gravitational force between the 2 balls Y and Z equals A. half, B. 8 over 1, C. quarter, D. 1 over root 2. Answer number A. F between X and Y equal GMM over R square. M here 4 and M 1 and R between them 2R. So equal 4 times 1 over 2 square equal 1. Force between Z and Y equal M2 and the other 1. So 2 times 1. Distance between R 1. 1 square, 2 over 1 square equal 2. Ratio will be 1 over 2 half number A. 11. Airbags are used to protect the drivers because they reduce the force of impact as a result of A. Increasing the time intervals of the change in momentum. Increasing the momentum. Decreasing the time intervals of the change in momentum. Decreasing the momentum. Answer number A. Due to there is inverse relation between time of the change in momentum and force of impact. 12. A body rotates in a circular orbit of radius 10 over pi meter. If it completes one cycle in 0.5 seconds, its tangential velocity is pi meter per second, B 40 meter per second, C 100 meter per second, D 100 pi meter per second. Answer number B. We need to calculate tangential velocity and we have time of one cycle, its periodic time. So V equal 2 by R over T. 2 by R times 10 over pi over 0.5 equal 40 meter per second, number B. Thank you very much.